Fenugreek, a plant with a rich history in traditional medicine, is celebrated for its impressive array of health benefits. This humble seed is packed with vitamins and minerals essential for the body's growth and strengthening. One of its most notable benefits is its ability to aid in managing diabetes. Fenugreek can help control blood sugar levels, improve insulin function, and decrease sugar absorption in the intestines. This makes it a valuable ally for diabetic patients. Additionally, research has shown that fenugreek can reduce the risk of developing diabetes. In a 2015 study involving 140 individuals with prediabetes, those who consumed 10 grams of fenugreek powder daily were found to be 4.2 times less likely to develop diabetes. Fenugreek is also beneficial for reducing high fat levels in the body. It helps lower total cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides. This is largely due to its steroidal saponins, which inhibit the absorption of cholesterol and triglycerides from the digestive tract. This property not only promotes better lipid profiles but also contributes to overall cardiovascular health. Moreover, fenugreek's cardiovascular benefits extend to reducing the risk of heart attacks. With its galactomannan content, a soluble fiber, it promotes heart function and vascular health. Fenugreek also aids in maintaining normal blood pressure and regulating heart rate, thanks to its high potassium and low sodium content. With such a wide array of benefits, fenugreek proves to be a powerful natural remedy. Fenugreek, a plant native to the Mediterranean region, is renowned for its wide array of health benefits, particularly in treating infections. Its seeds are rich in compounds that exhibit anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, such as linolenic acid and flavonoid compounds. These components help reduce inflammation both internally and externally, making fenugreek an effective natural remedy for various types of infections. For gastrointestinal health, fenugreek offers several benefits. It helps reduce heartburn by acting similarly to antacid drugs, soothing intestinal infections by forming a protective layer over the intestinal lining. Additionally, fenugreek improves digestion and alleviates constipation due to its high mucilage and fiber content, which act as a natural laxative. In terms of kidney health, fenugreek helps reduce calcification and stone formation within the kidneys by reducing elevated calcium levels and offering antioxidant benefits. Regular consumption of fenugreek tea or supplements can help maintain kidney health and prevent stone formation. Fenugreek is also a boon for skincare. It moisturizes and enhances skin texture and elasticity due to its potassium, carotene, and vitamin C content. It treats acne, blackheads, and eczema, accelerates wound healing, and acts as an exfoliant. Moreover, fenugreek helps manage oily skin by controlling oil secretion and unclogging pores, leaving the skin radiant. Fenugreek, a versatile herb, boasts numerous benefits for hair care. Its seeds and leaves are rich in essential nutrients like iron and protein, which are vital for hair growth. One of the standout advantages of fenugreek is its ability to treat hair loss effectively. It also shows promise in treating baldness and increasing the density of thinning hair. Fenugreek's anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties make it a potent remedy for dandruff. Not only does it help with scalp dryness and itching, but it also imparts a natural shine to hair, thanks to its high lecithin content. Fenugreek is also beneficial for men, primarily due to its ability to boost testosterone levels in the blood. This increase not only enhances libido but also improves sexual performance and erection. Athletes find fenugreek beneficial as it boosts physical activity and endurance. The herb also plays a role in enhancing mood and mental alertness, making it a valuable addition to men's health. For women, fenugreek offers a range of benefits. It is known to enhance milk production in lactating mothers and alleviate symptoms of polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, such as irregular menstruation. Fenugreek eases painful menstrual cramps and reduces menopausal symptoms like hot flashes. Moreover, it aids in childbirth by reducing labor pain and stimulating uterine contractions. Additionally, fenugreek is linked to breast augmentation due to its phytoestrogen content. Fenugreek, a common herb, has sparked debates on its impact on weight. While some believe it's a boon for weight loss, others argue it's beneficial for weight gain. For weight gain, fenugreek is praised for its rich nutritional content. Packed with vitamins and nutrients, it can enhance nutrition and increase weight. Fenugreek is also known to combat anorexia, improving appetite and allowing individuals to eat naturally, facilitating weight gain. On the flip side, fenugreek aids weight loss by increasing satiety. Its high fiber content promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing overeating. However, fenugreek can have side effects: diarrhea, stomach disorders, dizziness, headaches, and changes in body odors. It's crucial to consume cautiously. Certain individuals, such as pregnant women, infants, hormone-sensitive cancer patients, diabetics, and those on blood thinners, should be especially cautious.